Hey guys, check this out. I got a new drone. Let's go check this guy out. If you get your DJI drone for the first time, it could be very intimidating and very overwhelming because you know DJI drone does a lot of cool things and you don't know where to start. But you'd be surprised how easy this thing is to get it going. So in this video, I want to show you how to get it started when you first get your DJI drone. But first, let's do unboxing. First thing you should do is charge the battery. Taking out the battery is very easy. And charge the battery with the power plug that comes with it. Also go ahead and charge the controller. In order to charge the controller, you have to unhook the USB cable connector to your phone. The USB charger that came with the drone, go ahead and plug that in and to charge the drone controller. And then next thing you should do is download the DJI app. Just go to your app store, search for DJI, and look for DJI Golf number 4. Download it and install it on your phone. If you're running for the first time, you need to create an account and register with them. They will keep track of all your flight information. Setting up the drone is very easy. First, take out the drone from the case. The easiest way to unfold the drone's wing is from the back side first. Unfold the back wing first, and then front wing. And if you want to fold it back, do the opposite. Front wing first and then back wing. Don't forget to unfold this landing gear in the front wing. These are also antennas, so they need to be set up correctly. Take out gimbal cover and always check the battery. Check the battery by pressing once. To turn on the drone, press once quickly and then press again and hold. Now we need to set up the controller. First, unfold the antenna and undo the phone holder. Inside there's a little controller knob that you need to put it on. You just have to screw it in. Very easy. Now next thing we have to do is insert the smartphone. Here we're going to be using iPhone. But if you have other phone, there's other connectors you need to attach that fits your phone. Be sure to take out the case or you won't fit in the holder. Once the phone is in, and then turn on the controller. To turn the controller is the same process. Press the button quickly and let go, and then press it again and hold. Lastly, just run the app. Be sure to check do you have SD card installed on your drone. The DJI drone comes with 8 gigs of SD card, but just check to see you have SD card installed. Now we are ready to fly. Let's go fly. If you're flying for the first time, make sure you find the open area and stay away from the dirt area. Let's go fly. If you first open up your app, you might get this alert page. To find out what the alert is about, go and click on the alert status and it will tell you what the problem is. Here we have to calibrate the drone before you fly. Calibrating drone is very easy. Below you will see this calibrate button. Press that, click start, and then it will tell you how to calibrate. You have to basically spin the drone in a certain way. When everything's all good to go, you will see the drone camera on your phone, and you will stay ready to fly. There's a tons of stuff you can do through the app, but first thing you should know is auto land and auto takeoff, and home button. When the drone is in the air and if you get lost, the home button will bring the drone back to where it started. And then record button. It records a video. When you click on the auto takeoff button, the drone will automatically take off on the ground and it will hover in the air. Basic control is pretty simple. Left joystick up is climbing higher, down is climbing low, left and right will turn the drone around. Right joystick up, moving forward, down is backwards, left and right is panning to side to side. Remember that joystick controller is very sensitive, so you can control your speed by how far you move the joystick. So make sure when you fly for the first time, move the joystick very slow and very low at a time. The last thing you should know is there's a little roller controller on the back of the controllers. Bring the camera down and up using this control knob. When you land, make sure you use auto land option on the controller. As you can see, DJI drone is very easy to set up and very easy to get it going. Obviously, you gotta take your time to really practice flying, and there are tons of great features. So you should take your time to learn all the different features and learn all the apps. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please click like and subscribe to this channel.